How to turn on or turn off Spotify Connect in background. So, hello guys. First thing we need to do is go to Spotify. This is the home page as you can see. Now go to the top corner right here and click on the wheel icon. Now it will take you to this page. Go down until you find the option, and here is it, Spotify Connect in background. You can turn it off or turn it on as you want, easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later. Thank you so much.